Welcome to our cooking show.
And today we're going to be making some Korean fried chicken.
We want our chicken to look somewhere close to this. So if you want to see how the final results look like, you gotta stay till the end. Now, Lieutenant can start off by opening the package of chicken, then peel off the skin of the chicken.
Okay, so we're gonna start by just taking out the chicken out of the container.
Now we're trying to remove the skin of the chicken.
Here, it's being very difficult to take out the skin from this chicken. So we just gave up and asked someone else for help.
We did it. We cut it. Yay. Yay. Okay.
Peeled it. And now we will start.
So now we're gonna start
Season it.
Yeah, season it.
It looks great. When we will cook it, it will look good.
Yep. That. We put that after. We'll use the freezer.
And also,
So basically, this, that, and that's it.
It was a great idea to add some garlic. Okay.
So for the seasoning, we need garlic. First, we are going to make the season. Then we are going to fry it, and in the last time we are going to make the sauce. We talked about and then I chose chicken, obviously, but I didn't get to finish it. I asked my dad to do the takeaway. He said that it was why I was supposed to do it, but I wasn't there when he said that because I left with my friends. So basically, I just lost the chicken, and now I'm going to get it.
and me too, I chose this recipe because one day I went to Korea and I ate those chickens and it was so delicious.
Oh, was disgusting?
It was delicious.
I tried the chicken in school. So, 1 cup of flour and half a cup of water.
Now we mix.
Put baking powder and salt, then pepper.
Yeah. Now we put the chicken. Tamp.
The chicken in our mixture. I think that it will look great when it will be done. Hopefully not. Hopefully.
Oh, then we mix. So here we go. It should look like this.
Now we're just gonna warm the oil so we don't have to warm it later. So we don't have to deal with it later.
And now we are going to put the chicken it can look crispy and nice. Ew.
You may add some salt and pepper if you would like to be more flavor. So if you don't feel comfortable with using your own hands on chicken, just ask someone else to do it for you, or use a spoon instead.
Or give up.
Yeah, just give it.
Now I'm going to put it in here. Ew.
Mix it, mix it well. Almost well.
And don't eat the powder.
Like that.
Oh, it feels good, but don't eat it. Promise.
Now you should just warm the oil up in. No, not vanilla. So for you to know that the oil is ready, just dip a piece of dough in it, and if it starts floating, it means that it's ready. Now that it's floating, we're gonna put the chicken. Be careful.
It's right with Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
I don't know what happened to the song, but just ignore it.
The song is much better. Now embrace it. Now we're just chilling. Here's a photo. I'll move a bit.
These ingredients. Well, so I couldn't find the exact ingredient for this one, so I'm just using this.
Look, this ingredient, I will show you. It is really tasty when we are going to eat it.
And this
The chicken.
and we have this pepper.
And paprika.
And the bread.
And also oregans, what you just said, and soy sauce. Okay. We will also add melted sugar, which is here. So we have very hot melted sugar. Oh,
So hot.
then we're gonna put this.
I'm stronger. I'm stronger.
Okay.
Look,
No, I'm strong.
what are the color?
Okay. Okay. We'll just okay. 1, 2.5. So 2.5 spoons. Then we put paprika, and then we're gonna a lot of paprika. Yes, yeah, kind of.
Everything here is spicy.
This is spicy.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll say stop. Slowly. very, very.
Look, I'm a genius. And this. No, it has to be.
So then we'll just mix it.
Oh, really kind of spicy. I don't like spicy stuff. I like spicy stuff. It's when the food when it is spicy, it is better. I think. It is my opinion.
Put it on the frying
I don't know why is this guy mixing overnight.